Go away, but I need to put your fruit snacks away.
No, I'm mine.
But I need to put them away. You're on the potty.
No, wrong.
That's wrong.
The tooth. Yeah.
Okay. Can I put away your fruit snacks, please?
No. Mine.
Will you give it to me?
Mine.
Honey, do you love your fruit snacks?
Mine.
Can I have them, please?
No. Mine.
But we gotta put them away. Yeah, you gonna give them to me? Honey, can I have them, please?
No.
Would you like to eat one?
Yes.
Okay, you gotta give me the box.
Hey, mine.
You said I could take it.
No. It's back. Now.
No, you're gonna have the 1-pack.
No. No.
No, just one.
No. It's back. Now.
No, you gave it to me.
It's back. Now.
You're silly. I'm gonna go put it away, okay?
No.
What?
It's back. Now.
No, you're silly. Are you all done on the potty?
Where guys?
What?
Where guys?
What is it?
Where guys?
I don't know what she's saying. Princess.
Where
She's
guys?
saying princess.
Oh, short.
Okay, we gotta go, baby girl.